Hi everybody, welcome to Mathamor once again. Hope everybody of you are doing well. So today we are here to solve the question which says that find the radius of the circle, and in the diagram one bigger square is there and one smaller square is there and one circle is there, and the circle is touching two sides of the bigger square and one corner of the smaller square. Also we are given that the smaller square has its size as 2 and the side of bigger square is 4. Okay. It will be very easy question if this circle will be inside the 1/4 of the square of bigger square, but it is not in real. However, we might think of this. You can see that this is not a situation. Means this circle is not inside the 1/4 of that square. If this circle would have been inside it, then it will be very easy question. Okay, so now what we will be using? We will be using coordinate geometry to solve this question. So let us see how. So for coordinate geometry, we will be drawing axes, that is y-axis, that is x-axis. And now the origin will be this point, that is 0, 0. Now our next step will be to find out the center of circle. Okay, so let us locate center of circle, that is here. Now after locating the center of circle, we have to find out this its coordinate. Okay, as we are using a coordinate geometry, so we should know the coordinate of this center of this circle. Okay, so how we will be finding out the coordinates of this circle? We will be drawing two lines that will be passing through this center. So one is this and another is this. Okay, so now we know that this line is radius. Okay, and this is also radius. Okay, fine. Now we have to find out the distance of this point from y-axis and also from x-axis, and then we will be getting this coordinate of this point. Okay, as we know this side is 4 and this is r, so we will be getting this side as 4 minus r, and also this is the distance of this point from y-axis. Similarly we can find out the distance of this point from x-axis, and that will be 4 minus r. Okay, now we get the coordinate of this center of the circle. So the coordinates are 4 comma 4 minus r comma 4 minus r. Now our next step will be to find out the coordinate of this corner of this square. Okay, so that will also be very easy. How? As we know this side is 2 and also this side is 2, so the coordinate of this points are 2 comma 2. That was easy. Okay, so now we know 2 points, the coordinates of 2 points, this and this. So we can find out the distance between these 2 points by using a distance formula. Okay, so this is the radius. Now what we will be using, we will be using distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is used to find out the distance between the two points in the Cartesian plane. Okay, so here it is x2 and it is y2, and now it is x1 and it is y1. Okay, and this is r. Okay, so let us do some calculations here. Okay, so r is equal to under root 4 minus r minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus r minus 2 whole square. Okay, now after solving this we get r is equal to under root 2 minus r whole square plus 2 minus r whole square. So these two same terms will make 2 into 2 minus r whole square, and after taking root we get r is equal to under root 2 and in bracket 2 minus r. Okay, after solving this we get r is equal to 2 root 2 by multiplying it. Okay, and minus root 2 r. Now minus root 2 r will be taken in the left hand side and we get r plus root 2 r is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, after this we will take r as common and we will get the value of r. We will get the value of r. Okay, now after rationalizing this value we will multiply and divide by the term root 2 minus 1. Okay, and we get r as 4 minus 2 root 2. See how easy it was. Okay, so at last we get the value of r. Okay, so radius of this circle is 4 minus 2 root 2 units. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe the channel for more updates. And I would request you to comment your alternative method if you have any. And also, if you have any doubt, please comment down. Thank you.